Alright, let's check this apartment here. Okay, this one is in. But the gas is not connected. Okay, so then that AC had to be done. Where's the gas? Here it is. Way back here. Perfect. Okay, and the suspension tank is on. Flip is on. Full of water. And trying to get the relief valve. Get that in somewhere back there. There's a relief valve. I think I still see it hanging back there. So I may tackle this one right now, or do the things, do the ones with Let's Work first. I'm not sure, but this is one of the ones I have to finish out. Let's see. Here it goes. Okay. Like this one per se. Gas is hooked up or connected. The hot and cold are connected. Yeah, I believe I went over this one before. I'm able to do this now, so I'm coming back to finish that. And that was the only thing left, or lacking in the completion. So I'm going to do that. And I'm going to head and end it here, but I have some more to show you, so stay tuned. With that being said, AC out.